Hey, um, right now, I got a new video for you guys. Might be short. It's either gonna go on or it's not. But, we got a little issue right here. I'd say 4 days ago, the Sea-Doo, was turning over for maybe a second and a half, and then it started to do this. Now, I do have a good idea what it could be, and from what I'm guessing it could be is because, from what I've seen on other videos, it could more than likely be that the starter solenoid in the box is shot. Because right, see if I put my finger, okay, oops. Right down there is a box, right behind, see this thing right here? Right in front of that, in between the oiler, and the gas tank. No, the oiler's on top and the gas tank's on the bottom. Right in between those two and the side of it is the box. So I fold this up. Right there. That's the box. That's what we're looking for. This thing right here. Because, let me do it again. And see, right up at the top, past the black wires, and then right there, and it looks like there's some on the bottom, because you see it goes from the battery, right there, the positive, and it's in this waterproof, or I shouldn't say waterproof, it's more of a water-resistant box. And I have no idea how to get that out, but I'm going to try my best to get it out. Okay. So, let me get on the other side. Or, I just might have to try it from here. This is gonna be pretty hard to do. Let me see. I'm gonna have to get a flashlight, and I'll be right back with you guys, and we'll see what we can do. Okay. Here's the thing. Whether this is continuing or not, I finally got the fuse box out after probably half an hour or more. I finally got this fuse box out. Now this is a 95 GTS. This is very similar to the GTI and GTX, if I'm correct. This is the full one. This is not the XP. So there was a difference here. I had to slide the gas tank forward, and I had to push the oil tank more up to that direction. And I'll show you guys right now. Fold this up. Okay. As you can see, the gas tank is folded up some more. It probably slid 5 inches or something. And that was enough room to get to go and move. and move the tank out of the way. Now, if you guys want the best way to get this out, you might want to remove the battery. That is a good option for you guys. But what made this really hard, that's what she said, is there is a clip right... Okay, whoops. There is a clip... Where is it? There's a clip right here. Cannot see it at all. Maybe a lot right there. And it is plugged, it is in the side of this. Right here, there's a hole. It is into these one, it is coupled into this. So what I did is I pulled on this thing so hard to get it up. And it finally came. And once I got it up, I was able to use some needle nose pliers, or if you want to, I think I'm going to replace it with some zip ties. And I'll just put it through there so you could cut that and get it through. And once I got that, there is just, this is the bottom. Only thing holding on is these clips right here. And they go in through the holes. And on the top, it's the same situation. And once you get it out, for some reason, it still makes this noise. And when I even try, I have some power. It is grounded to this. Watch, it is making power. Or it does, it used to. What the heck? Is this thing on? It is not on. Oh, that's why it's not plugged in. So, we'll try that again. And even when I'm crossing the two leads, there's nothing. Nothing happens. I'll take the needle nose pliers right here and show you guys. Nothing. Nothing. But when I do it this way, it clicks. This is weird. This is really freaking weird. I have zero idea what it could be. So let me get this tripod out. Or extend it, I mean. Or let me extend the tripod so you can, so I can get this going. Clip it. I got this from Walmart. It is a very, very great tripod so far. I have no idea what it could be. Let me go over here. I seriously am dumbfounded. I've crossed it and somehow it still isn't doing anything. I don't get it. Let me take this screwdriver. I mean, I'm touching it right now. Okay, they're touching. Nothing. Still. Everything's plugged in except for the spark, except for the thermostat. Don't. Yeah. That's why I disconnected it in the first place. Okay. The only thing not connected right now is the thermostat, which I don't think would do anything. I have no idea. So, spark plugs and the temperature is the only thing not plugged in right now. I don't know. I don't know. Usually, I mean, I'm thinking it's a starter. But see, if the starter were bad, you would have to remove the intake right there. And there is one screw right, let's see, where is it? It's somewhere, it's right there. Believe me, it's down there, and it's in the shape that since this is here, you cannot get to it. I've seen some people where they've made a straight, a curve, and a curve, so it kind of has the bends to it, and it, twist it. I don't know how in the world some people have done this. Right now, it's either a starter or somehow it's this thing, and I have no idea why crossing it is not doing anything different. Still, I don't know. I feel so dumb right now, but I have literally no idea. Oh yeah, comment below if you like the tripod I finally got. If any of you guys have suggestions, if it's most definitely a starter, here I'll raise you guys up and you can go higher. This is a 66-inch thing. Oh, perfect, right there. So, I don't know. If you guys could help me, if any of you guys' comments work, there will be another part 2. Don't worry about that. I'll do whatever research we can do, to see what it does or if it works. So this is part 1. Subscribe to, or you don't have to subscribe. Check out my channel. If you like it, subscribe also. If it does work, there'll be a part 2, and I'll let you guys know what I changed or what I had to do to get it to work. Because it's winter right now, it's colder in the garage, and I work much better in the winter than I do in the summer because I get very grumpy. I get really pissy in the summer. It's not funny. So, you know that I don't know. So, I think we'll possibly end the video here. This thing has been garage kept for a very while now, very long time now. I'll bring you guys down. See, look at it. It's a clean Cedo. Very, very nice. But there's something new. I thought this thing was possibly locked up, so I put 2-stroke oil in it, which is that right there. And I let it soak for a few days. And I come back tonight, and there is a puddle of oil all underneath the engine. There's a crud load. And I don't know whether from something, I don't know how or where the oil could have escaped from the inside of the engine, and it's everywhere on the bottom of the engine. I barely spilled anything, and I always cleaned it up, so I don't know why it's leaking out. So I don't know. The first thing I thought is that the engine's toast, even though it has great compression. Somehow, it is leaking oil out of the cylinders. I don't know if it's from water passage or whatever, but it's leaking out. So, not good. Check their app, baby. Okay, well, I'm sorry for boring you guys. This is just an update on the GTS after, June is the last, June or July was the last time this thing was out in the lake. A month ago, or maybe 2.5 weeks ago, it ran perfectly fine, because I do keep the battery charged and I make sure the engine turns over. I start it once every couple of weeks during the winter. That's how this battery's lasted me this battery is like almost 3 years old, believe it or not. This battery is almost 3 years old, and I think it's about to crop out because it won't hold a proper charge after I take it off. So, I'm sorry for all you guys watching the boring video, but hopefully with anyone that had the similar issue, and if you guys could help me out, that'd be helpful. That's all for today. Let's see. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. This is T.F.D. signing off, and I'll see all of you in the next video.